ice on the Audemars. Put up in the fast car. Lamborghini going too far.
Hi guys, it's E-Class. Welcome back to my channel. So today guys, as you can tell by the title of the video, what this video is about, yes, this is video number 3. Uno, dos, tres. 3, yes guys. But this is what we'll be working with today. This is the Gold Rush palette by Profusion, and this is what the palette looks like. If I can get it open, yeah. So yeah, this is what the palette looks like. Now got some nice gold colors in here. You got your neutral burgundy browns over on this side. You got a really pretty gold over here, your yellows and all that good stuff. You got your transition shades at the top. So yeah guys, this is what we'll be working with today, the Gold palette by Profusion. So yeah guys, let's just move on along. Y'all already know how I do. I don't talk, I just sit back and do my thing. And then, like I said before in previous videos, if there's something you want to know that I've used and you don't see me show it on here, just look down in the description box. I guarantee you it'll be there. It will be there. But yeah guys, that is gonna be that, and we gonna get into it. Okay, let's get in. Okay guys, so I am back. This is the finished look, guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Guys, this is not the initial look I was shooting for. I was shooting for something different. But it still came out pretty, and I'm not even gonna trip, you know, like I said, because it's not the initial look I was going for, but it still came out real nice. So I'm just gonna go with it. You know what I'm saying? Even though I've tried this look before and it didn't come out exactly like this, it was like way worse. But you know, I can tell that I have had some growth. But yeah, but anyway guys, back to the palette. You know, about talking about the palette. So this is the Gold Rush palette, and this is what palette I used today. And the colors came out really nice, guys. I thought, you know, because of the shades looking so light, that I didn't think that they would show up on my skin complexion. So I just said, you know what, let's just give it a go, give it a stab, see how it goes. So this is the browns right here. These two browns I used, and I used these two shimmers, and I also used the glitter in the palette, which is this shade right here. That's all that I used out of this palette, because this is kind of like my first stab at this palette. Now I did some swatches of this palette and just kind of like looked at the colors, but I was still iffy about them. But they actually came out pretty good. They showing up on my skin complexion, so that's a good thing. That's not bad at all. But yeah guys, this is the final and finished look, guys. So I'm gonna get up out of here and we gonna mosey online, because this is like the second makeup look for me today, because I did one this morning and I just did one before this one. So yeah, it's time to get from behind this camera and like get up out of here. I gotta go pick the kids up. So yeah, they texting me now like, mama, when you on your way? But anyway guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more videos, guys. I'm gonna get up out of here. Y'all have a blessed one, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
White face on the